Yo, it's your boy Vussy Megs. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to trade NASDAQ, 100. You understand? You can see this is a real account. And if you just go down to pay attention, you will see that total deposit is 126k and profit is 77k, withdrawal 200 and something. So I've withdrawn everything from this account, but this is basically what's been going on. Last loss I took was 2,000 rands, but it's not nothing compared to what we make in this trade. You understand? I'll be making more 20k per trade, and you can see my track record, guys. All this risk stuff you're seeing is just withdrawals. My track record is there, and if you can see, I only trade NASDAQ. The currency ones, I don't basically count those ones, but yeah, it was only NAS 100. All right, let's get it. What we are talking about today, guys, today we're talking about the NASDAQ and how to make money from this thing. So as you can see, this is the trade that I sent today. The trade that I sent today was a NAS 100 sell. It was on M1 time frame. You understand? This was the signal, and then the price kind of did a manipulation thing where it kind of went over our SL. So I knew some people are kicked out, but I include those things so that my members don't blow accounts. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I said we can re-enter once the market did its manipulation thing and whatever. I said we can re-enter. And as you can see, the market went and ended up going to hit TP. So this is the psychology I want to discuss with you. Yeah, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Vussy Max channel. You already know the vibes. It's your boy Vussy Max back with another banger in the building. So listen up, man. Today, like I said, I'm gonna show you my strategy that I've been employing in this NAS 100 account. I have a separate account. I've been doing this for a minute now. I have a separate account where I only take NASDAQ only. I don't trade any other instrument there and whatever, because you understand the way I manage money when it comes to the way I manage the money that's in a trading account at the time. It's different from the way I would manage those funds if I was trading currencies and stuff, because obviously there's less risk when you're trading these other instruments, you understand? But now when it comes to NAS 100, you gotta be a little bit strict. So what I do, I have a separate account aside. That's the one I use. That's the one I showed you guys in the beginning. That's my NASDAQ account. So in today's video, like I said, you saw the title of the video. I'm gonna show you that, bruh, I literally feel like NASDAQ is becoming stupid these days, you understand? That's how easy it is to make money in this thing right now, you understand? So I'm just gonna drop this so you guys can take full advantage of this before eventually this window of opportunity passes out, you understand? So for now, NASDAQ is giving out free money. I'm gonna show you a way to do it, you understand? Link in my description. Go to my Telegram for free signals and stuff like that, and signals and whatever. Free Telegram link is in the bio. Let's go ahead and get to it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, fam, hold up just a second, man. Listen, today I just want to send a big shout out to the sponsor of the video, man, pyropesa.com. Link is in the description box below, man. I'm gonna show you guys a little game called Crash. This is the one that I've been hooked on to. Like you know what I'm saying? Like if I'm struggling to sleep, I just open this thing. Sometimes I win, sometimes I lose, but I'm winning more than I lose. The key is to not get greedy. You understand? I know it's nice seeing money there, so I'm just gonna show you how to operate here. You understand? So you place your bets. Gonna tell you countdown 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, but it's gonna start running now. So you have to take your winnings. You understand? Don't just wait until forever. I just showed you guys with 23 bars because obviously it's my money. I can't show you with 1k. If I lose 1k now, it might ruin the whole tone of the rest of the video. You understand? But yeah, they even gave us a free promo code for you to get 100% on every deposit that you make, or your first deposit. Use the code MEGS100. Link is in the description box below, man. Let's get it. Right, so what I was trading today's session. So today, basically, the day started here. This line that you see is where the market started here. Is that our daily open? So the market went on, came back to our London session. The market dropped. I missed this entry day. You understand? But we move. I know at least I have 2 sessions in a day. So now we came to NY. So obviously there's no structure here. You understand? So which is why now we ended up having to go to our daily time frames now. And then, no, not our daily time frames, our M5 time frames, but the M5 still wasn't sufficient enough. So we had to take it down lower to our M1. So it's not really saying, guys, you must always use your M1 charts. It's just about where are you finding proper visibility into the inside of the market, what the market is planning to do. And you know how fast NAS 100 moves, ne? NAS 100 moves way too quick, you understand? So today there was 3 signals properly. If I put it straight up, I was supposed to have entered 3 trades, but only managed to enter these 2 trades. This is the one that was sent to my private group, and then this is the one that I took on the side, because once my niggas take wins, I don't like to risk with their profits. I prefer to risk on my own, you understand, basically. So that's why I didn't send this one, especially because it's NAS, you understand. So I told you guys, if the market now goes to make a low of the day was here. If it goes and makes the low of the day and the market comes back there, you must know that something will happen. Of course, sometimes there can be a low of the day which was like this, you understand. But then when the market came here, you can see there's no rejection, meaning the market wants to make a new low. So there's no rejection, so there's no I can buy from low of the day. So I let this one go. The market goes to make a new low. It moves away from it, comes back. And when it comes back, what happens? It leaves a what? It leaves a pin at the bottom, meaning the market doesn't want to close below this zone right here, which can be a signal to buy. You understand? You buy, the market moves. But now, remember, we also have a ranging market in our M1. So you see, the market came to this low, came to this high. So ever since, the market has been moving in this sideways movement the whole time. So what we're trying to do, we're trying to capitalize what we can take in the middle of this zone, in the M1. You understand? And you know, with NAS 100, you don't even need a lot of candlesticks, even if you're on M1. This can be 10K, this movement. You understand? This can be 10K here. And so the market came to the resistance of the range, as you can see. Now the thing about ranges, the one thing that I've noticed, usually if the market goes to a range and there's a resistance, goes to the resistance of the range, it's gonna cause, obviously, as a collective, the retail traders, we're waiting for a breakout so we can enter. So that's where now most of the manipulation happens at those areas now where we're thinking it's a breakout, but usually it's not a breakout. The market, they know very well where the orders are lying, where the majority of buyers and sellers are. They're going to come and kick you out first, especially you see in the trading zones, as in like the trading sessions that I trade in. The times that I trade in, there's a lot of manipulation in the markets, but it helps that I have an eye that can see exactly what's going on behind the screen. I can easily spot that, you see, this one is too good to be true. There's no way I'm buying here or selling here because something is coming. You understand?
Nigga, you fucking with the big leagues now, homie.
So it was the same thing that happened here. After the market came to kick the low of the day, and then rallied up heavy, and then as it rallied up heavy, I saw this now. Do you see this breakout? You see this breakout now here. This one. I knew that, this one, my G, this one is too good to be true. This one, there's no way. So with that in mind now, I knew that all I gotta do is I gotta wait for, actually before, all I gotta do is I gotta look for all the areas where the market is leaving gaps, you understand? So I saw this area and I saw this area also. So when I saw this area, at first I was like, but is this market going to sell? Because obviously now the ranging thing about this market is starting to become too obvious, you understand? It's starting to become too obvious at this point. So I'm like, if it's selling, then if it's selling from where it's at, or is it buying? That's the question. Is it selling or is it buying? So I could have been like, since the market came to this gap that it left here, maybe it's time for me to buy outside. But nah, I thought to myself, like, this thing came to the resistance. Obviously the price now has to go down. So when it started coming down here, I had to wait now. You understand? I had to wait for an opportunity now to sell, because I knew probably it's gonna come to retest this resistance line that we have here. You understand? So it came out, did another fake out. Candlestick, massive candlestick that closes outside, then the next one closes inside. Then when I knew, you see that trade I wanted to enter, it's still valid, so I sent a re-entry for this one. Market came back to close this zone here, down here, when I extended like this. So the market came back to close this zone. That's where we hit our TP, because I could have easily put it down here, but I didn't have a reason. I don't think once the market goes to make a new low, they're going to go and hit that low again. If they work on the low of the day, then they have to go and work on the high of the day. I hope I'm not saying too many complicated things, but yeah. So the market came back, it left a gap on top, came back to this gap, started operating fine, and then I knew, selling again, sell again, came back here, it held structure. Actually, didn't break below, you understand? So it held structure, and I knew, now it's going to start buying, you understand? So, but me, those 2 wins were enough for me, so I just walked away from the markets. And as you can see, my NY session, this is where it ended, literally here. I knew after here, even if the market moves, but it's not really my trading, my system doesn't go according to trading in these times, you understand? So law of the day is here, moral of the story. It was here, the market went to make a new law of the day, and then new law of the day, and then it started moving away from it, you understand? So once it started moving away from it, then I knew that, you understand, the high of the day was here. So the market still didn't come to work on the high of the day. It's just been in between ever since. So basically, in a very long explanation, but this is in short terms, this is what I'm trying to say. You guys need to focus on low of the day, high of the day, and you need to focus on the New York session, which is up around 3:30 South African time. If you can focus on that and pay attention to what is happening at either the high of the day or the low of the day, current day, understand, then you will start to see the market. They go and work the high or go and work the low in the building. If you want more tips or any type of knowledge and stuff, free signals, go to my public Telegram. Link is in the bio. I want us to help me get my Telegram to 6K, fam. Please, just help me to get it to 6K. I keep dropping knowledge for y'all for free. You understand? My course is coming out soon. It's not out yet. It's coming soon, though. You understand? Still working on it. Still trying to unpack all these things that I'm showing you guys on my YouTube and put it in a way that anyone can understand. You understand? Can you understand? From the 16-year-olds to the understand, yeah. So it's still in the works. It's coming soon. Shout out to everybody watching this. Much love. Thank you guys for 40K subscribers. Let's get it.